Should you hire an attorney? Hello, I am Cecilia Morris, the Chief Judge of the Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York. Bankruptcy and being able to discharge debt can be a huge stress reliever. If you obey the bankruptcy code and rules and finish a bankruptcy case, you will have less debt and be able to put a bad financial circumstance behind you. Many people file for bankruptcy on their own without an attorney, which is called filing pro se. It can be done, but you will need to be diligent. Filing personal bankruptcy takes careful preparation and understanding of legal issues. Deciding which chapter, 7 or 13, is right for you can be a very difficult decision. Misunderstandings of the law or making mistakes in the process can affect your rights. You must fill out all paperwork and take time off from work to appear at the meeting in front of the trustee and sometimes in front of the judge. Depending on how complicated your case is, you may have to appear at multiple hearings. Filing the initial petition alone will not be enough to provide you with permanent debt relief. If you do not file all your paperwork and make all appearances at court, your case will be dismissed and you will still owe all the debts you were trying to get rid of. Seeking the advice of a qualified attorney is strongly recommended, as bankruptcy has long-term financial and legal outcomes. If you decide you need an attorney, you may wish to contact your local legal services or bar association. If you qualify, several of these organizations will provide you with legal advice or an attorney for a free or reduced rate. Most courts will have information for pro se filers and information on obtaining a free legal counsel on their websites under the Filing Without an Attorney tab. If you file bankruptcy pro se, you may be offered services by non-attorney petition preparers. By law, preparers can only enter information into forms. They are prohibited from providing legal advice, explaining answers to legal questions, or assisting you in bankruptcy court. A petition preparer must sign all documents they prepare for you, print their name, address, and Social Security number on the documents, and provide you with a copy of all documents. They cannot sign documents on your behalf or receive payment for court fees. Be wary of anyone who calls themselves your friend and gives you advice to not attend court meetings. Some people make a business by enticing people to file bankruptcy for a fee. Filing the case will seem like a relief because your creditors are legally required to stop collecting your debts temporarily. But if you do not continue with your case and you do not do all that is required, these collections activities will begin again as soon as your case is dismissed without the permanent discharge needed for your fresh start. Again, it is recommended that you seek the advice of a qualified attorney or look at the information under the Filing Without an Attorney tab on this website.